Hello, good afternoon. Ayan, punta tayong transplant ng pechay sa backyard. Dahil lumaki yata yung pechay, so transplant ko saglit. Maganda ang weather kasi hindi siya mainit. Kahapon as in, hindi ako nakalabas sa garden dahil sobrang mahangin. Sobrang tindi ng hangin. So, ngayon magandang weather dahil hindi siya mainit. So, magandang mag-transplant. Ayan. Hi, Elisir. Ayan, ayan yung ng bata. Ayan, may tubig dyan. Yeah, you need to pull this. Ayan, you pull it. They're like that. Ayan.
I'm trying to put this out.
I think that's good enough. That's good enough, Elisir. Okay.
But he always came out.
Okay. Ayan, mag-transplant tayo ng pechay. Tara na, Elisir. Mag-ano tayo.
Or do it. I'll do it. Where are we going to put it?
Oh, doon sa kabila. Ayan. Ewan ko, nakikita nyo. Transplant ko yung maliliit.
Ooh, beautiful. This is so smell good.
Saan?
This one.
Alin?
This one. You can
Yeah,
put it in the...
right? So, I think so. Did you smell it?
Nope.
I forgot the name. Yan. Yung pechay, oh. Ang hirap makita ang pechay dito, Elisir.
It's not smell right, mate. Smell it.
Oh, wow, look at that. So fast. See? What's the name again of this one?
Mommy.
Cilantro, anak.
Oh.
The cilantro.
What is this?
Oh my, look at that. My kamatis is doing good. See? The tomato.
How about the potatoes?
Patatas still sprout.
Have a look.
Trying to sprout.
Look, mommy.
Let me see. Ayan, yung ko din. Ano ba yan?
They grow pretty
Strawberries.
fast. Last time they're so small, now they're big. White, mommy. And they're
Oh,
still...
look at that.
They have flowers in it.
I remember, the Miracle Grow that I put in there.
Yeah.
I think we're going to put that again.
Must
Ayan,
be.
nagpapa-flower yun eh.
Look.
Yung Miracle Grow
That's
na
coming
nilagyan
out
natin.
of- The flowers give
Yeah, lots
Small.
of flowers. Yung strawberry.
strawberry came from
Kakatuwa.
flowers too.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Kakatuwa, Elisir, oh. Kapahit yung kamatis. Kamatis, muntik nang mamatay kasi na-frozen. Yung talong din. Mukhang yung eggplant, oh.
How about this one? He did that died.
Oh, lumaki yan ah. Hindi ganyan kahapon. Tapos, ayan, yung din. Pati yan. Pakita natin, Elisir.
Ooh, big. That's pretty giant.
Ayan.
He's giant.
Okay, transplant natin. Sandali. I-ano ko lang para makita nyo. Salamat. Ayan po yung i-transplant ko sana. Ayun yung mga pechay. Ayan. Ito, ayan. Ano ba yan? Elisir, cabbage.
Cabbage.
And that one is zucchini. Tapos yan.
Zucchini.
Ay, yung binigay ni tito mo, oh, nag-ano rin. Nag-i-sprout.
Have that one and that one.
Yeah, and there's...
Look, mommy, there's so many like there.
Oh, where's the other one that I'm looking? Ayan. Oo, nakuberan na, uy.
Why? Because the
Lettuce.
picture is so big, they cannot see the sun.
Yeah, I think the light on that spot.
We need to change that because some flowers need sunlight.
Tapos, bakit yung camera laging,
I just did that. Once I just used that and it's only
ayan.
upside down.
Oo nga, parang hindi nakiki-operate. Ayan.
Must be don't like you, maybe.
I think he does his own thing eh. Itong gimbal na to. Ayan, yung ano, cilantro. Tumaas na siya. Tapos yung pechay, i-transplant ko. Ayan. Ayan yung tanim ko. Ilang beses ko na itong ano. Tapos yan, yung strawberry. May mga ano na, may mga, ano ba yan, Eliezer? Flowers?
Yes. You need to go
Ayan.
down.
Okay. Ayan. Saan ka pupunta, Eliezer? O, sige, mag-transplant ako lang saglit. Ayan. Salamat. Transplant ko lang yung ano. Yung ano ba yan? Yung mga pechay. Lagay ko dyan. Lagay ko dyan. Yan, nagmukha hapon si Mr. Mahangin pero minuno niya kasi may pasok siya ngayon. Ako sana kaso wala, mabigat yung mower. Ayan. I-transplant ko siguro dito. Dahil patay na yung onion ni husband. Ito ko i-transplant. Ayan. Okay, ano ko lang siya. Time lapse ko lang siya. Salamat guys. Bye. See you in a bit. Thank you.